Ready?
Wait, sa taas.
What's going on, sir? So it's really free, huh?
Not a real good deal, though.
I know. Yesterday was nice.
I guess you cover it up or something. Are you gonna be able to fit in there?
You said it's 8 foot,
8
right?
foot long.
Yeah, whole plywood could fit
Go
there.
between the seats in the front. Well, I do front.
All right.
So the legs, the bottom comes off.
Uh-huh.
And it's just the top. We carry that out and then carry that out separate.
I have my sockets set here.
I have it in sockets. It's a regular pliers. I got the. It's nut and bolt.
Oh.
Yeah. We just gotta tip it on the side.
Uh-huh.
Take the legs off.
All right.
So I don't know if you guys want to grab this.
Oh, this is not
Yeah, it's not
that
bad.
heavy.
I carried it by myself with the other guy.
You kidding me? All right.
Yeah, I put this on a trailer last time when I carried it over,
Uh-huh.
but it wasn't raining out. It'll be good when you put it in the car. 5 years old. Are you gonna put that on top or?
Yes, because this is going to be leaning on the side.
Okay.
All right, we got this.
You sure?
I think so.
I did it by myself last time.
Oh,
with one
shit.
guy.
Maybe we can drag it, right? Freaking heavy.
Once you get it up, you're gonna have to get it off the ground.
Yeah, we're going to lift it. Let's see. Ah, shit.
There you go.
Ugh.
Okay, you're good. You're good on height. You're good. You're good. You can go up higher. You can go up higher. You can go
I
up
can
higher.
go up higher?
Yeah, you can go up higher. You got like another foot.
Ay, Dios mío. Hold on, let me put it down a little bit. Oh, jeez. I almost shit my pants.
Dapat dalawa eh, no? Dalawa.
Yeah.
Kabilang dulo.
Yeah. Watch the ceiling.
Good. Yeah, get it up. By himself over here.
Yeah, he's a fucking monster. He's a monster. You alright?
Okay.
Get it by the pocket, maybe.
Wait, hold on. Let me open the door. That guy is a monster. How are we gonna go here? Malakas yung tao na yan.
Gago, bata si Pug.
Oh, shit. Holy fuck.
Tak inang bigat, gago. Diretso na. Kuha mo ng persa.
Shit, bubating ko.
Isang angat lang, so.
Wait lang.
Lalagay na dito. Okay. Ready?
Tangina.
Wait, sa taas.
Okay na. Ano na lang.
Yan.
Ito na, Pug.
Ayaw.
Pag-tripan ng bilan. Sabi ko, junior na po. Takay na mapulsis.
Libre. I-strap ko na lang yan.
Eh.
Oh, you got room in that thing.
Small, right?
It does from the outside. It says 12.
Oh, thank you. Watch your back.
Slide it over perfect. Go enjoy, right?
We will. Oh, what about the old bolts? All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it so much. Dalawang tatalunin.
Ang nabinuhat natin, ano?
Unbelievable.
Init ko lang, matanda na ako.
Ang lakas na ito.
Bata.
Mag-isa niya, dalawa tayo. Tara na po. Meron na tayong pool table. Libre. Full size.
Pwede na, meron na tayong bilyaran.
May bilyaran na tayo.